How do I count the occurrences of a list item? Given a single item, how do I count occurrences of it in a list, in Python? A related but different problem is counting occurrences of each different element in a collection, getting a dictionary or list as a histogram result instead of a single integer. For that problem, see using a dictionary to count the items in a list.
If you only want a single item's count, use the count method. Important: this is very slow if you are counting multiple different items. Each count call goes over the entire list of n elements. Calling count in a loop n times means n total checks, which can be catastrophic for performance. If you want to count multiple items, use counter, which only does n total checks.
Use counter if you are using Python 2.7 or 3.x and you want the number of occurrences for each element.
Counting the occurrences of one item in a list. For counting the occurrences of just one list item you can use count. Counting the occurrences of all items in a list is also known as tallying a list, or creating a tally counter. Counting all items with count. To count the occurrences of items in L, one can simply use a list comprehension and the count method. Or similarly with a dictionary dictx, l.countx, for x in set L. Example. Counting all items with counter. Alternatively, there's the faster counter class from the collections library. Example. How much faster is counter? I checked how much faster counter is for tallying lists. I tried both methods out with a few values of n and it appears that counter is faster by a constant factor of approximately 2. Here is the script I used. And the output.
Another way to get the number of occurrences of each item, in a dictionary.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.